When you choose Ace Sheds, you're not getting an off-the-shelf build, you're getting real options and real strength. All our cladding comes from the same high-quality timber sourced from Sweden, then pressure-treated here in the UK. The only difference is the thickness. Our 12mm cladding is a solid standard option, while the thicker 15 and 22mm boards give you extra strength for heavier use. Here you can see the difference in thickness side by side, same timber, same treatment, just built stronger where it matters. And remember, all external timber does need a waterproofer to stop water penetration. With the right maintenance, your cladding can last a lifetime. It's the same story with flooring. Every building comes with 12mm flooring as standard, with 15 and 22mm upgrades for heavier equipment. And underneath, runners spaced every 300mm give strong support and healthy airflow. More choice, more strength, built to suit how you actually use your shed. That's the Ace Sheds difference.